What if the secret to younger skin isn't magic, just better collagen? After your 20s, your body starts losing collagen every year. That's why your skin feels less firm, your joints get creaky, and hair and nails just aren't what they used to be. But good news! Advanced Collagen Plus restores what time takes away. It's the only blend with 5 types of collagen from 4 premium sources. Grass-fed bovine for glowing skin and fuller hair. Pasture-raised chicken for flexible joints. Wild-caught fish for stronger nails. And organic eggshell for all-around recovery. Plus, a boost of biotin for that extra glow. It dissolves easily. No bad taste, no clumps. Just pure, simple goodness in your coffee or smoothie. Thousands are already loving smoother skin, stronger nails, and better movement. All in just weeks. Try Advanced Collagen Plus risk-free for 90 days. Your skin, hair, and joints will thank you. Click now for your exclusive discount.